Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be making ginger lemon and honey tea. This tea has so many benefits. If you are a diabetic patient, this tea is all you need. If you're having any heart issue like stroke, heart attack, this tea is all you need. All you need is just these three ingredients, which is your fresh lemon, fresh ginger, and 100% honey. Just these three ingredients is what you need for this tea. Now I'm going to be adding my washed grated ginger. I'll blend this roughly. And then add it into a pot of water. This tea has so many benefits. It can also help in weight loss as well. It's relieve digestion and it help boost your immune system also. So I'm going to be adding the blended ginger now into the water, and then I have my already washed fresh lemon, so I'm going to be adding it into the ginger water. These are all you need. So I'll be reserving some fresh lemon. I'll be telling you what to do with that later. So all I need to do is to cover it and let it come to a boil. So I'll tell you what I'll be doing with this later, so you don't have to be cooking all that. So let it come to a boil. Once it has come to a boil, off your gas and let it cool down. Let it cool down a little so you can sieve it. So this tea has so many benefits. It can be used to treat various respiratory problems like cough, cold, and running nose. It helps also to treat in the treatment of asthma. If you have asthma, this tea is also good for you. So once it's cold, all I need to do now is to sieve it out. So it also helps to speed up digestion process. Yes, and it also relieve menstrual cramps. This tea has so many benefits. All you need now is to add in the fresh two lemon we reserved. We'll add it there and then sieve everything out. Sieve everything out. So now I'll be going in with my fresh honey. So you add the honey according to your taste, okay? So I'll be adding my honey, and this is the result. This tea is everything and more. If you're a diabetic patient, all you need to do is to take this first thing in the morning, a glass of it first thing in the morning and last thing before going to bed. Thank you guys for watching. Hope to see you in my next video. Bye.